So the question again about some, let's say, if any brother or sister pass away because of this coronavirus, and we don't find anybody to give them a ghusl, how should we do it? Do we have to do a ghusl, or we bury them without a ghusl?
So our brother Sayyid again is asking a question which we received multiple times on this broadcast regarding janazas. Some people are asking because they are under the impression that a person who dies during a pandemic is considered to be a shaheed, a martyr, and a martyr is someone who is to be buried without washing. To answer this question, no. Yes, حكمه حكم الشهيد. The ruling is the ruling of a shaheed, but he has to be treated like any deceased. The only one which we do not do that to them are those who are killed in the cause of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in a battlefield. We don't do that. Or they are in Hajj, because the Hajj is accepted or considered to be like Hadith ibn Abbas regarding the man who was knocked down dead by his camel or by his animal on the day of Arafah. Another side or angle of this, being concerned regarding infection, to be infected by the COVID-19, because we know it's contagious. The answer to this question, we must strive to give them ghusl, but again making sure that I will not be infected by their COVID. You can actually cover their bodies, that you don't have to touch them. You can wear gloves, and you can do the ghusl on a plastic surface around their body, inshallah. But you should strive as much as possible to fulfill the rights of a deceased, even during these circumstances. But remember, this should not come at the expense of your health and well-being, inshallah. I hope this is clear, brother Sayyid, inshallah.
Jazakallah khair.
Wa iyyakum.
I appreciate that. I hope to see you in New Jersey soon, inshallah.
بإذن May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala left this يعني غمة يا رب العالمين, and I'm looking forward to seeing you, brother Sayyid, and please don't forget me in your dua. Barakallah fi.
Yes, sir.
Inshallah.
You also do perfect.
Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alaikum assalam wa barakatuh. Okay, brothers and sisters in Islam, call us 303 500 5101. We have Shafiq al-Rahman Furqani. He says, few years ago I heard a guy who was referring to book of history written by Imam Suyuti addressing end time signs in more details. I searched much for it but had not find it. Have you read it? Can you help me find it? Can you tell me at least the title of the book? Imam Suyuti has a lot of writing on the sign of the hour, so if you can please, brother Shafiq al-Rahman, just give me the title at least, inshallah. But if I search, I will let you know, inshallah, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. طيب, other questions, inshallah? So we answered that question already. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So call us please, 303 500 5101, inshallah.